तुझसे कहूँगा नहीं।
A sunset scene described by Muhammad Nur Tajul Islam. A sunset scene. It is really very charming to enjoy the scene of a sunset in a cloudless sky in wall. After the day's hard work, a sunset appears with a feeling of repose and rest. It marks the end of the day. The sunset can best be seen and enjoyed from the bank of a river or from beach. The sun goes down and sheds its mild rays from the western sky. It looks like a dish of gold. We find a brilliant show of colors in the western sky. 7 colors make the western sky look charming. The crimson red is most prominently visible. The whole earth and the sky seem to be painted with colors. The golden rays of the setting sun fall on the water of ponds, rivers, on top of trees. The western horizon appears exquisitely beautiful. The sky is then covered with the red glow of the setting sun, and all the objects of nature put on a charming appearance. The ripples of the rivers look purple in the red glow of the departing sun. Gradually, the sun sinks down below the horizon, and the red tinge of the sky begins to fade away. Darkness then covers the whole earth. The cowboys return home with their cattle. Birds are seen flying back to their nests. Nothing but a few stars are seen in the western sky. A sunset scene is really enjoyable.
दिल में हो तुम, आँखों में तुम, पहली नजर से ही यारा। दिल में हो तुम, आँखों में तुम, पहली नजर से ही यारा।